Assalamualaikum Hazur.
Waalaikum Assalam wa rahmatullahi. Munira, Maiza.
My name is Mirza Akhtar, and my question is about how some issues can have a negative impact on my mental health. For example, culture, society, and social media have a certain criteria of how one should look, act, and how well they should perform academically and domestically. Beloved Hazur, what prayers would help give me confidence and improve my mental health regarding this?
Very long question, huh? Right? First thing is, as I have already said, then remove all the complexes with regards to your religion, with regards to your faith, with regards to your appearance, with regards to your family background, right? Develop some confidence within yourself. Like, then pray to Allah Ta'ala in your 5 daily prayers. Dedicate one full sajda for this purpose, that Allah Ta'ala give you the strength to compete and overcome the bad things of present day society. Right? So the best way is to pray while you are offering your 5 daily prayers. Right? 1-2 sajda or 1-2 rakat. Okay? For your well-being. Then Allah Ta'ala will guide you. And apart from that, recite Durood Sharif and La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim as much as you can. You try to learn the meaning of it and then say this dua. And do istighfar as well. Istighfar, astaghfirullah rabbi min kulli dhanbin wa atubu ilayh. You try to know the in-depth meaning of it. Then it will also save you from the bad things and create and develop confidence in you. Okay? Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, Pyare Hazur.
Wa alaikum assalam.
My name is Nida al-Haq and I'm from Islamabad Jamaat. Pyare Hazur, in our garden we grow fruit and vegetables. Hazur, is it suitable to use pesticides on these plants?
If your garden is an organic garden, then don't use it. If you don't want to make it an organic garden, then you can use pesticide. But there are some other ways also to save your plants from pests, right? And insects. You can you burn some dry leaves or dry wood chips and then make some ash and spread that ash on them, on the plants. The insect will not come on the plants. Okay? Or if you Asian have neem leaves, you can ask your relatives living in India or Pakistan to get you green neem leaves. And then you dry those neem leaves and boil them in water and then spray those neem water on the plants. That will also save your plants from insects. So if it is an organic. Otherwise, you can use it if you are harvesting. In your vegetable garden even you can pick insects from your hands, with your hands. Right? Okay. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.